I learned in this procedure text. This text aims to explain the step or steps that must be taken to achieve a certain goal. This text is usually used to provide instruction on how to do something, such as making food, how to operate tools, or method doing certain activities.
What have you understood?
After I explored the procedure text, the purpose of the procedure text is to provide clear and effective instruction or guidance to the reader, and the procedure text use clear, concise language and imperative word.
Give, give advice for the presentation.
My ad, my advice is to have a very good idea, and I like the way to convey it confidently, but in delivering important discussion, and also I feel more understanding of the topic after listening to the presentation.
What what was the most interesting then during the presentation?
The use of simple and easy to understand language can make the presentation more interesting and help the audience understand the material better and their own confidence when presenting.
What have you learned?
What I learned from this material is about general information, daily schedules, accommodation and transportation details, cost estimates, emergency contact, and additional information. In an itinerary, and a travel plan usually includes complete information about a person of group of people's travel plans from the factor to return.
What have you understood?
I understand about this. An itinerary is a travel plan that is systematically and in details regarding activities, times, place, and other important information related to a trip, whether from tourism, business, study, and other activities.
What was the most interesting then during the presentation?
The itinerary presentation was very clear and structured, so you could easily imagine the day by day, and there was a lot of very interesting information to listen to.
Gives give suggestion for the presentation.
The delivery was clear, the slides were also neatly and well agreed, but maybe you call a summary at the end so that the audience can remember the essence of the reply.
Number three, experience text. What have you learned?
I learned in delivering text experience text is a type of text that tells someone's personal experience in doing something. The experience can be a travel story, work experience, learning experience facing challenge and others.
What have you understood?
The main purpose of experience text is to share someone's personal experience with others, so that they can learn from the experience or get inspiration, personal, chronological, descriptive, and relative.
What was the most interesting thing during the presentation?
Telling this big moment or turning point and experience can make the audience feel moved and inspired in the difficult phase.
Giving advice for the presentation.
Presenting maximum result and also very clearly, focusing on important details and making you feel connected to the experience and everyone Here there are life experience and obtels from the presentation is was very inspiring.
Number 4. Personal recon. What have you learned?
Recount text is a text that retell experience or even that have occurred in the past. The goal is to provide information or entertained by the event.
What have you understood?
After understanding the orientation, even reorientation using past and descriptive language to describe event or experience.
What was the most interesting?
Telling interesting and unique experience or even can make the audience feel move and spirit in convenient lesson or wisdom that can be learned.
Giving suggestion for presentation.
The presentation is very cool and the presentation is good to ensure that it can convey the experience confidently and effectively.
Number 5. Tables and schedule. What have you learned?
Table is an agreement of data in row and columns used to present information systematically so that it is easy to read, compare, and analyze. A schedule is a list or plan of activities arranged chronologically in the schedule show when an activity will or must be done.
What have you understood?
As I understand it is usually arranged based on time, day, date, hour, with the aim of managing time effectively. Example of it is use our school schedules, transportation, picture schedules.
What was the most interesting thing during the presentation?
By hearing different and unique stories, we can know what the table and schedule are from the first presentation, and the information is very interesting.
Giving suggestion for presentation.
My suggestion is that maybe from the presentation of result it so that it can convey discussion to train on ourselves like our schedules to be organized in interactive.
Number 6. Biography. What have you learned?
Biography is a writing or record that contains a personal life story. Biographies are usually complete based on fact and information obtained or from various sources such as interview, document, or historical records.
What have you understood?
What I understand from the biography, the main purpose of the biography is to introduce the life journey, achievement, and struggles of the figure written so that readers can understand and learn from the life of the figure.
What was the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting thing during the presentation was the ability to convey the spring and unique side of the figure being discussed so that the audience gets motivation from the figure's life story.
Give suggestion for the presentation.
Very good discussion and can learn a lot about biography because it tells the life story of a historical figure with more confidence and maintains eye contact with the audience.
Number 7. Request. What have you learned?
I learned that a request is a request or invitation made by someone to another person to do something or give something. In the context of technology, requests are often used to request that data or service from a server or other system.
What have you understood?
Inquiry and request is request made by someone or an application to other another person of season to do something or give something. There are several types of HTTP requests, APPES, and DATA requests.
What was the most interesting then during the presentation?
Explaining how requests are sent, referred, and processed by a system or application and help the audience understand the concept of request better.
Giving suggestion for the presentation.
Using positive body language such as eye contact and embedded gestures to make the presentation more interesting, explaining in great detail.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
you're welcome.